guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Millions of dollars in ATH lie unclaimed in Brazil wallets, but there's a way to get them back. Did you know that over 500 Ethereum Brazil wallets are yet to be recovered, and collectively they have a value of several billion dollars? Out in the crypto sphere, there's a vast amount of wallets that's seemingly out of reach. A long-running statistic suggests 4 million Bitcoin, almost 20% of the total supply, has been lost forever. Much of it was mined when the network was just beginning, with early adopters tearing their hair out after losing their private keys. One Welshman has entered a 9-year battle as he attempts to retrieve a hard drive containing 700 BTC from landfill. But this isn't the only treasure trove that's worth exploring. For example, did you know that over 500 Ethereum pre-sale wallets are yet to be recovered, and collectively they have a value of several billion dollars? The pre-sale for ETH, which is now the world's second largest cryptocurrency, took place back in the summer of 2014. At the time, one Bitcoin was by you 2000 Ether. Fast forward to now, and the exchange rate is much less generous. One BTC will only fetch 12 ATH. A whopping 8,000 people participated in this pre-sale and were given tokens in the Genesis block, but according to experts, hundreds of wallets remain untouched. Some of these wallets contain tens of ATH, a figure that's worth tens of thousands of dollars today. Others have more than 10,000 ATH inside, meaning the owners are missing out on a life-changing $20 million. All of this conjures up big questions. Are these wallets a lost cause? Will the upcoming merge where Ethereum moves from a proof of work to a proof of stake blockchain mean these funds are just irretrievable? And what's more, who in their right mind would lose access to their crypto after taking part in a pre-sale? Well, there are a plethora of factors that can lead to the private case of pre-sale wallets being lost. It could have been a problem with a browser, challenge with French language keyboard settings, or poor security practice. Let's not forget that crypto was shiny and new then, and many early investors were figuring things out as they went along. So, what should the people who own one of these pre-sale wallets do? Give up and dream of what could have been? Use the experience as a gripping story at dinner parties, regaling people of how you missed out on millions of dollars? Or fight back and begin the painstaking process of reclaiming what's rightfully yours. How to recover a pre-sale wallet? It can be done. The first step is to head to either scan a blockchain explorer and check the balance of the address that you are struggling to retrieve. If there's crypto yet to be claimed, there's work to be done, and it's time to take a step back and reflect on what the password requirements would have been for your wallet. This next bit is a little more challenging. You need to try and remember the password that you commonly use it at the time. Software called Hascat can be used to test a plethora of variations, alternating between uppercase and lowercase characters and changing letters like an I for special characters like 8, and with the right GPU card, you will have to opportunity to perform password checks per second. All of this may seem like a long shot, and there's still a risk that you will end up empty-handed, unable to find the elusive password to your either pre-sale wallet. But this doesn't mean that you are a lot of options. Next, it's time to get the help of professionals who have a track record of cracking the code and reuniting owners with their crypto. K. Chance X says forget pre-sale wallets often have specific parameters, and it has created custom-made software to successfully recover lost crypto. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.